Oh.
Like this,
Okay.
that thing, yeah.
I have all these boxes.
Let me hold a box.
No. And they're unprotected.
From me!
What are we gonna do?
I don't know.
You can't just leave your boxes unprotected.
Right.
You know what can happen?
I can happen.
We got all these boxes, right? This is like a Super Nintendo box. I mean, you could do all kinds of things with this box, right? They could drop on the floor.
Yeah, that's
Like that. This could be like, maybe this is like spikes.
Oh, spikes. If your house has spikes on the floor, you got other issues.
And you could have like a soda. Maybe it's shaken up really bad. You can open it and
Little bits.
you could have a drone and it just fly right into the box.
Speaking of that, no drone flying in the house.
Yeah, you don't want
Yeah.
any of these things.
You could
to
also
happen.
like, while it's sitting on your shelf, if it moves,
Yeah, you don't want this kind of movement, like lateral movement.
right, could like dent the corner.
Yeah, you could dent, and then you got a corner that's like
Yeah, like
dented. I think I'm gonna check what retro protection has.
to the internet.
So I'm back from the internet, and I found a solution at Retro Protection. Back to the whiteboard.
Yes, we can just.
What can we do?
We don't have to worry about any of that. Okay.
So we take those boxes and we just put them in that box.
Inside the other box.
And then the soda can go all over this box. And this box will be safe.
Happy face.
Let me give you a real world example
Please.
of how these things work. So you take the box and you put it in the other box.
Oh my gosh.
Wait a minute.
What?
This is amateur hour over here.
How is it? How can you do it wrong?
Look at that. You can see the seam in the front of the box.
Oh, the flap.
What was I thinking? Look at that. Perfect. Now you can hold it.
Oh, thank you. Look, see, I can do this, and I'm not gonna hurt the box.
Yeah. Now if it slides in and out of a shelf or whatever,
Yeah, it's protected.
protected.
Oh, and it's also protected from like dust.
So this time I did get some more special size boxes, as you saw with my Famicom Classic.
Mini. Famicom Mini.
Classic.
It does.
Wow.
It's all in Japanese. So, see, it
I'm-
could say Mini.
I'm guessing
It
that
could
that
say
says
Mini.
Classic, but I don't know.
It could be Mini. PlayStation Mini.
So I got
still
one for my
calling
PlayStation Classic.
Mini.
Here's one of the bigger box protectors.
Can you see it?
Back there,
There's like an
all
Atari.
protected.
And then next to it is Super Nintendo. And then way over there, you can't really see it, is... You see it over there? This one all the way at the end is Wii.
Got some of my handheld boxes.
Sit up really tall.
So I've been wanting this one for a long time. I got one for my Star Fox 64. This one's a little bit harder of a size to get because it's not a normal N64 game. It's a little thicker than an N64 game because it came with the Rumble Pack when it first came out. That what happens?
I
That's
don't know.
when you get like something. Yeah.
This bag is really cool. I don't think we've seen that.
Yeah, I didn't even notice how cool the back of this box was.
We've had it like the other way for so long. Another really special box that we got was something that I searched every grocery store in our area for. Super Mario cereal box.
Yeah, so it took forever to find that box, so I definitely wanted to get that nice and protected.
Yes.
And we have two of them.
Yeah.
Both variations of the cereal.
Yes.
And yes, there is cereal in these boxes.
Yes. Very expired cereal because it's expired in January of 2019. So don't eat the cereal.
Yeah, I got March on mine.
Oh, and that is bad. Still, don't eat it.
So I think the one key takeaway from this video that I want everybody to have is protect your boxes.
Because if you don't, who will?
So what do you think about box protectors?
How good are they?
Pretty good.
So if they were to fall and there was something in them, what would happen to that thing inside?
They
a
would be
good
protected,
question.
right?
Thanks so much for watching this video. Be sure to hit the like button, and if you want to see more super adventures, click the subscribe button.